Hey there. Let me ask you something. When you hear gut health, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Probably something like digestion, right? Maybe bloating or probiotics. But here's the thing, your gut does way more than just break down food. In fact, it plays a role in everything, from your mood to your immune system, even your energy levels and how well you sleep. Yeah, it's kind of a big deal. So today, let's talk about what gut health really means and why it matters more than you might think. What is the gut, really? Okay, first things first, when we talk about your gut, we're not just talking about your stomach. Your gut includes your entire digestive tract from your mouth all the way down to, well, the end of the line. But here's where it gets really interesting. Inside your gut lives a whole community of tiny organisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and there are trillions of them. This is called your gut microbiome, and no, that's not sci-fi, it's real science. Think of it like a little ecosystem, kind of like a rainforest. When it's in balance, everything works in harmony. When it's out of balance, that's when problems start. So, what does a healthy gut actually do? Well, a lot more than just digest your lunch. First, it helps you absorb nutrients, vitamins, minerals, energy. Your gut decides how well your body gets them. Second, it's a huge part of your immune system. Actually, around 70% of your immune cells live in your gut. So yeah, if your gut isn't happy, your immune system probably isn't either. Third, and this one's wild, your gut helps produce brain chemicals like serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Over 90% of it is made in your gut, not your brain. And finally, your gut helps keep inflammation in check across your entire body. In short, healthy gut, stronger immunity, better mood, clearer thinking, and more energy. Now, what happens when your gut isn't healthy? There's a name for that, gut dysbiosis, basically when the balance in your gut microbiome gets messed up. And trust me, you'll feel it. Maybe you're always bloated or constipated one day and running to the bathroom the next. Maybe you get sick a lot, or your skin is breaking out. Maybe you're always tired, foggy, or just feel off. It's easy to chalk those things up to stress or a bad week. But the truth is, your gut might be sending you a signal. So, what causes all this chaos in your gut? Well, modern life doesn't exactly help. Too much sugar, highly processed food, lack of sleep, chronic stress, antibiotics, whether from medicine or even the meat we eat. All of that can mess with your gut bacteria. But here's the good news, your gut is incredibly adaptable. It can start to heal in just a few days if you give it the right support. Taking care of your gut isn't about doing a fancy detox or taking a ton of supplements. It's about small, sustainable changes. Eat more fiber from fruits, veggies, whole grains. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. Stay hydrated. Prioritize sleep. And don't forget, your gut feels your stress, so manage it the best you can. Seriously, your gut is like a garden. Feed it well, water it, give it sunlight, aka movement, and it will thrive. So the next time you're feeling tired, foggy, or just not yourself, don't just reach for more coffee or blame it on a bad day. Take a closer look at your gut. It might be trying to tell you something. This is just the first video in our gut health series, and trust me, it only gets more interesting from here. In the next episode, we'll talk about 7 warning signs your gut is out of balance and how to fix it before it gets worse. If you learned something today, hit that like button, subscribe to the Health Changes, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and take care of that gut of yours.